Hey everybody, this is David. I am in Mycenae, which is in the Peloponnese in Greece, and this is part of an ancient civilization here. Perhaps you've heard of the guy. His name is Agamemnon, and certainly from Homer fame. This is the ruins of Mycenae, which is actually from the 1500 BC time period. And we're talking this week about the impact of teams. And so I thought, just from a history lesson perspective, give you a little example of teams. Back in 1500 BC, Greece wasn't Greece. It was made up of a bunch of city-states. Perhaps you've heard of Sparta and Athenia and all of these different city-states. And the king here, who was Agamemnon, thought that they were able to pull everybody together and go raid Troy, which was at that time one of their big adversaries over in Turkey. And so what he did was he was able to bring all of these city-states together to go invade Troy. And so as I'm looking at this today, I'm looking at the ruins here. There are actually some pretty well-developed things too, some very developed burial places and things of that nature, but it's so dark inside I couldn't film. But I was thinking from a team perspective, when you think about all these city-states being able to come together against a common goal going forward, even though it was to destroy an adversary, it does talk about how that people can come together for that common goal, and so you think about this, and I can't imagine 1500 BC what it took for Agamemnon to be able to tell the head of Sparta that says, okay, this is going to be beneficial to you because, and then the other people. So I was just thinking about that from this week's discussion on teams, and so a little example from teams from how far ago was that? 3,500 years ago. All right, take care.